Hello and welcome to Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grabesic, and I am here with Kent Anderson of Wesco. Hello, Kent.
Hey, Audrey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing so well, Kent. And we're here again with our wonderful series, Did You Know Wesco? Who do we have today to talk to?
Well, Audrey, we've got a great partner on the program with us today. We've got Shane McNutt from Nudo Corporation. And our partnership with them is really, truly growing as we kind of expand the opportunities across our industries that we serve. And Nudo has such a great place within the offsite construction industry, and especially as people look to do more and be able to get more efficient in their plants. And Nudo has just some amazing offerings that they're ready to bring to the industry, and we're ready to get out there in front of customers and start talking about them. So Shane, I was wondering if you would just kind of introduce Nudo and tell us a little about what's going on at Nudo with regards to offsite.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it, Ken. It's great to join the show here. I know we've been working together for several years. It's been a great partnership. I've actually been with Nudo since 2015, came through as through an acquisition, been in the building product industry since 2008. And over at Nudo Products, as you said, Kent, we're continuing to grow and innovate. We've been involved in many different industries. We consider ourselves the industry leader in lamination. We're also a major supplier of FRP products, and we've expanded over the years. We're more into plastics. We have 2 sheet lines. We just invested in a new Utilite interlocking PVC line, and we've got 8 extrusion lines, and we're looking to expand that business as well. So several years ago, we really looked at the offsite construction, the modular industry, and taking our laminated panels to the market, being able to offer many different options, whether it's FRP, high density polyethylene, aluminum, different types of skins to many different substrates, plywood, OSB, fluted PVC, and here more recently looking into some composite options and lightweight, moisture resistant options to help the market itself. So it's been a great partnership with Wesco. I know when we first came together, we were looking at some different industries and how you guys could help us outgrow. Being a manufacturer, we've got the different products, but getting out to the market, that's always been something where we've seen some other opportunities. And with Wesco's footprint that's out there, with you guys having the local representation, it was a perfect fit for us. We really started with a couple key markets. Those markets took off for us. And then here more recently, we have started some other expansions. We're actually meeting with one of the Wesco reps. I'll be meeting with them here tomorrow and doing a joint call with a big offsite construction company and really bringing the value that Wesco has, that local relationship, that ability to stock and service on those local levels as well.
Absolutely, and we appreciate your partnership on that. And it's one of the great things about the partnership with Nudo that they bring to the market, Audrey, is a real willingness to bring that technical expertise to talk about what is being used, and to understand that when you get down into literally microns of difference on products, it really can make a difference. It makes a difference in how you install it, makes a difference in performance, and certainly makes a difference in cost. So really being able to rely on them to come in alongside us and offer that expertise is amazing for the industry. It's awesome.
One of the things I really love that Shane kind of mentioned several times is your local part of the organization, really being in a local area, being able to select those areas and then expanding. Shane, I think that's great that you have identified that. And how great is it that you're to be talking with them again tomorrow?
That's exactly it. It's just perfect timing. Again, I've got sales managers that are out there, but we don't have that local presence. And just with Wesco being able to have multiple locations and sales reps that are out there that can have that local connection. And as Kent said, just us going in and representing Wesco, we're talking about the Nudo products, but the meetings tomorrow, I'm going in on behalf of Wesco, and we're really promoting what Wesco can bring to the table to help expand this and maybe move these accounts even an account that's buying FRP, look at them and move them towards that laminated FRP panel, and being able to offer them options that's going to help save them on time and labor and the cost overall of these different projects that they have going on.
Wow, that's great. And there you go. One more thing you may know a little bit more about Wesco and their partnerships and why it's so valuable to have a distribution arm in your company. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, Ken, for being here today.
Thank you, Audrey.
Yep, thank you. Appreciate it.